such a huge volumes in derivatives? Why such a huge volume in derivatives? Yeah. So have a look at this. Suppose in the cash market, I want to buy 300 shares of TCS. Okay. And let us say the price of TCS is 3,600 in the cash market. Yeah. So what is the total amount I will have to pay? 10,80,000. 10,80,000 will be the total amount I will have to pay. Now, remember, I have bought. Why did I buy? Because of course I thought prices of TCS will move up. Yeah. Suppose the price of TCS moves to 3,800. Yeah. Or let us say 3,700. Yeah. So let us say I decide to sell the 300 shares. Yeah. So what is the total amount I will get? 300 into 3,700, and I will end up making a profit of 30,000 rupees. Yeah. So going ahead, suppose instead of buying in the cash market, I buy 300 futures. Yeah. And let us say in futures also the price is 3,600. Yeah. What is the volume of transaction? Again, here I have done a contract worth 10,80,000. Yeah. Now, here in futures, the advantage is I am not paying 10,80,000. I am paying an initial margin which is decided by the exchange. Okay, let us assume the exchange has decided 20% as the margin. So what happens? The amount I will have to pay is 2,16,000. Okay. Now suppose TCS moves up. Yeah, let us say it moves to 3,700. So I decide to sell the 300 futures. Yeah. Obviously, what happens is I'm making a profit here also. Yes. The profit remains the same. Then what is the difference between doing transaction in the cash market and in the futures? Tell me, what is the advantage I got by doing the transaction in the futures? Absolutely right. If you see here in this futures, the return on investment, absolutely right. The return on investment is in the cash market is 3%, and in the futures I got a profit of 30,000, but I did not invest 10,80,000. I invested just 2,16,000. Yeah, thereby giving me a much higher return on investment. Yeah. So please understand here, the reason why futures are so popular is because the investment that I'm required to do is much lesser. The investment that I'm required to do is much lesser. So this is the initial margin that is payable in futures. Remember here, when I buy in the cash market, the shares come into my Demat account. But in futures, there is no actual share coming into your Demat account. So you are only buying futures. They do not entitle you to receive dividend or bonus or right issue or anything. Remember, these shares do not come into your Demat account.